What are an executor's duties in probate court? Imagine being handed the keys to a complex process that ensures a loved one's final wishes are honored. That's what being an executor is all about. When someone passes away, their estate needs to be settled through a legal process called probate. The court appoints an executor to oversee this. The first step for the executor is to file the deceased person's original will and a death certificate with the probate court. This proves the will's authenticity and officially gives the executor the authority to act. Once the court approves, the executor must notify everyone named in the will, including beneficiaries, and if there is no will, the heirs. They also need to inform creditors so they can make claims against the estate. Next, the executor's job is to find, identify, and secure all the assets that are part of the estate. This means taking an inventory of everything, like bank accounts, property, jewelry, and vehicles. They must also determine the value of each item and keep them safe from damage or theft. Managing the estate's finances is another big responsibility. The executor opens a special bank account just for the estate to handle incoming funds. They use this account to pay off debts, taxes, and other expenses. This includes filing income tax returns and estate tax returns if necessary. The executor must review all creditor claims carefully and pay only those that are valid, within the deadlines set by the court. If they don't, they could be held personally responsible. Throughout the process, the executor keeps detailed records of every action, including financial transactions, communications, and distributions. These records might be reviewed by the court later to make sure everything was handled properly. After paying all debts and taxes, the executor distributes the remaining assets to the beneficiaries as the will directs. This must be done fairly and in good faith, respecting the wishes of the deceased. Sometimes, disputes or challenges to the will come up. The executor may need to participate in court hearings to defend the will's validity. The court oversees the entire process, ensuring the executor follows the law and acts in the best interest of the estate and its heirs. In elder law and estate law, the executor plays a vital role in protecting the interests of everyone involved. They often work with attorneys and accountants to navigate complex rules, especially when there are large assets or disagreements. To sum it up, an executor's duties include filing the will and death certificate to start probate, notifying beneficiaries and creditors, securing and valuing assets, managing finances, paying debts and taxes, keeping detailed records, distributing assets, and handling any will contests. Acting with honesty and care is essential to ensure the estate is settled smoothly and fairly.